A computer system has many resources, hardware and software, which may be required to complete a task. The commonly required resources are input, output devices, memory, file storage space, CPU, etc. The operating system acts as a manager of the above resources and allocates them to specific programs and users whenever necessary to perform a particular task. Therefore, the operating system is the resource manager, i.e., it can manage the resource of a computer system internally. The resources are processor, memory, files, and I/O devices. In simple terms, an operating system is an interface between the computer user and the machine. It is very important for you that every computer must have an operating system in order to run other programs. Operating system management tasks. Process management, which involves putting the tasks into order and pairing them into manageable size before they go to the CPU. Memory management, which coordinates data to and from RAM, random access memory, and determines the necessity for virtual memory. Device management provides an interface between connected devices. Storage management, which directs permanent data storage. An application that allows standard communication between software and your computer. The user interface allows you to communicate with your computer. Functions of operating system. 1. It boots the computer. 2. It performs basic computer tasks, e.g. managing the various peripheral devices, e.g. mouse, keyboard. 3. It provides a user interface, e.g. command line, graphical user interface, GUI. 4. It handles system resources such as the computer's memory and sharing of the central processing unit, CPU, time by various applications or peripheral devices. 5. It provides file management, which refers to the way that the operating system manipulates, stores, retrieves, and saves data. 6. Error handling is done by the operating system. It takes preventive measures whenever required to avoid errors.